House respectively. And from Abe House we are having Jasmine Kaur, Harsimran Kaur and Kamaljeet Kaur, and they will speak against the topic old age homes are necessary. And on third number we are having Amur House and Atul House. They are having topic AI should replace teachers. So Amur House will be Atul House will be in the favor of this topic, and Amur House will be in the opposition of this topic. So shall we start now?
Old age homes only encourages the abandonment of their parents. If there is no any type of old age homes, they need to understand the thing that they need to take their responsibility. It is just an excuse. Some take, some don't. So that only that dearly children make that situation more worse than for them to get out from their houses. Don't you think that? No, I don't. They made the situation that worse that they came out from their house and they have to live in the orphanage. They are kicking them out. They are kicking them out because they know they can throw them there and no one will question them. And if there is no any existence of such type of places, there is a need to like make institution to change this mentality. This is not good for them. Instead of building up the old age homes, we should focus on the mentality of those people who thinks that they should kick their parents out of their houses and no one questions it. But who can trust the new generation? We are seeing that many of the children are kicking out their parents out of their home just because they can't afford them. They can't take their responsibilities. Then how can we say this? Why we can't afford the availability of the parents? Can you take responsibility of the new generation? They bigger hour and they take care of us, and why we don't take care of that? How can you say this? I am interrupting your point here. Can you trust the new generation that are coming? Yes. How? No, we can't trust the new generation. Dude. We are talking about here the mentality. We have so many ways to change their mentality. You know, point of developing country. How can you say that? I am saying this because it is the responsibility of the government and of the people. Where the government comes here? Yes. It is their fault to build. If there is no any old age homes type of things, there would be no any type of thing. There is the family. The family is kicking out the parents to go to the old age homes, not the government. We are this type of selfish that we can't take care of our parents. The mother take 9 months in our tummy to ours, and we don't take care of our mother and father.
Will be in the favor of this topic, and Amur House will be in the opposition of this topic. Okay?
It is not just a tool, a machine that can have the capability to teach, assess, and guide the students in the best possible manner that no other teacher can. Oh, that's a good point. But here's why that don't fit in this fact that teachers explain us with their full dedication, but not with that only machines and visual representations. We want the practical information. They relate their stories and to their personal experiences because once a teacher was a student. AI provides us personalized learning experience, and each and everyone sitting here are using Google, YouTube, ChatGPT for their learning. Even teachers are taking help of Google, YouTube. We are already halfway replaced. But we are do learning in school. Yeah, we are learning because we are also taking help of AI, but not on totally dependent on AI. We are the topic is teachers and getting help from AI. The topic is more robots and that robot is based on emotional intelligence, especially designed on based of emotional intelligence. And all the AI, even ChatGPT can provide us emotional support. But we need to rebuild our character, not just only the personal sport. Because if we replace teachers with AI, we will that students who are coming to study here from nursery. What are the basics that AI have? It only contains the data that is being transferred to it during the training. But about the future? You have prepared your debate using AI generated information. And we have taken help from our mentor, our teachers. I can give you the example from which teacher I have taken help. You can't deny that fact that he has not taken even a single word from ChatGPT, AI, Google, YouTube. It's not about he is not in that student in his confusion in dilemma. He is suffering from anxiety or whatever, okay? And he will guide him and inspire him to study, not focus on the distraction where he is. And we are
feeling access of just because we are having emotional interaction with her. So what can
Situation. No, that is clear. Big no.
can human teacher can imagine? Yes.